Hey, it's Stephen a Goody Goody making French meringue Christmas tree pops. Starting with white meringue trees, and I'm using a 1M tip, which is really good for these. Then some green trees, which seems like the perfect color for a Christmas tree. Look at that. And then I'm also going to do some green and white swirls by putting rows of meringue on a piece of plastic wrap, rolling it into a tube, and then seal one end, cut off the other end, and put in a pastry bag, getting rid of any air bubbles. And then just piping them as per usual. These are so cool. They actually kind of look like tree branches with snow on them. Adding some red and green sprinkles to make them look super Christmassy. And who doesn't love sprinkles? And finishing up with some little gold balls. There you go. Bake in a 200-degree oven for 2 hours because they're really thick, and then let them cool in the oven for at least an hour to really dry them out. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everyone.